So hello everyone, welcome to my channel Sonia Craft. I hope you are fine guys. So friends, dear Jinendra friends, how are you all? So friends, today I am making wall hanging for Mahiveer Swami Jayanti. So see how to make step by step. In this video, I make wall hanging with the help of a cake plate which we reuse in this video. You can see, and I take some rangoli colors and some paper, some white color papers and paint colors. You can see, and guys, here I can using Fevicol. You can see in the video. Let's start. So guys, first of all I will apply the glue on the cake plate which I have in this video. Otherwise you have cake plate, you can use it, otherwise you can skip it. If you have cardboard, simple cardboard, so you can draw a circle, big circle, and you can cut it. Okay, then I will you can see in the video, I will apply the glue on the cake plate on circle shape, and I can stick the simple white paper, otherwise sketch paper. You can see, if I can use here simple paper, you can also use a simple white paper. Okay guys, now friends, I am going to draw Mahiveer Swami in this cake plate. You can see that how to draw. You can see, I will give one video on I button. Okay friends, you can see on the video how we will draw Mahiveer Swami sketch. Okay, so guys, if you want to draw, so draw, otherwise if you want to stick, so you can stick. If you have a Mahiveer Swami sketch ready, so you can stick it. Okay, but here I am going to do some different type of wall hanging doing here. That's why I am drawing here Mahiveer Swami sketch. Then I will apply the glue on the sketch. Okay friends, you can see step by step how I am doing all things. So friends, you can see in the video, finally I drawn the Mahiveer Swami sketch in the cake plate which I taken. And now friends, here I can take a red marker or some sketch pens, etc. If you want to take, so take, otherwise you can skip it. Then I will complete it highlight. You can see in the video. First of all, if you want to highlight, so highlight, otherwise you can do skip, so you can skip. But here I can do neat and clean work. That's why I am using here marker for highlight the Mahiveer Swami sketch. That's why. So guys, here I am covering the different colors, rangoli colors with Mahiveer Swami. To Mahiveer Swami I will decorate here with rangoli colors. You can see in the video how I am completing. Now friends, I am here take some rangoli colors, pink, blue, etc. colors, because I want to cover the backgrounds of the Mahiveer Swami. When I will cover, you can see how I am covering. I will first of all apply the glue, then I will complete it. So guys, finally our art is some complete, so you can see in the video. So friends, see my day of the art of Mahiveer Swami Jayanti. If you like my video, so don't forget to like and share friends. Thanks for watching guys. Jai Jinendra friends. Thank you. Stay tuned with me, Sonia Craft. Like, share please. Friends, I want to say here sorry for, because guys, मुझे पता है Mahiveer Swami जयंती चला गया है, बट फिर भी मैंने सोचा कि चलो मैं आपके साथ में शेयर कर दूँ. आपको ये वॉल हैंगिंग कैसा लगा Mahiveer Swami जयंती का, मुझे ज़रूर बताना, और मेक श्योर टू कमेंट ऑन माय डेली वीडियोस. थैंक यू गाइज. स्टे ट्यून्ड विथ मी, सोनिया Craft. लाइक, शेयर प्लीज सब्सक्राइब. जय जिनेंद्र फ्रेंड्स.